Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of personal safety with the highly effective SABRE Pepper Spray. Discover how this compact and powerful tool can provide you with the peace of mind you deserve. Stay tuned as we explore its features, benefits, and how to use it responsibly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more valuable insights like this one. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your new SABRE. Today we have an essential topic to discuss: personal safety. In a world where uncertainties can arise, being prepared is key. Introducing the SABRE Pepper Spray, your reliable and effective self-defense companion. In this video, we'll uncover why SABRE Pepper Spray is a must-have tool for your safety arsenal. So let's jump right in. Before we delve into the specifics of SABRE Pepper Spray, let's talk about the importance of personal safety. In today's society, having a means to protect yourself is crucial. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or anyone in between, feeling safe and empowered is a right everyone should have. Enter the SABRE Pepper Spray, a compact, user-friendly tool designed to provide non-lethal protection. Its potent formula instantly incapacitates attackers, giving you the precious seconds you need to escape dangerous situations. Let's talk about what sets SABRE Pepper Spray apart. Firstly, its range. With an impressive reach of X feet, you can defend yourself from a safe distance. Secondly, its quick-release design ensures easy and intuitive operation, even in high-stress situations. Moreover, SABRE Pepper Spray is available in various styles and colors, making it a fashionable accessory that complements your personal style while keeping you safe. Using SABRE Pepper Spray responsibly is paramount. We highly recommend attending self-defense classes to learn proper usage techniques. Remember, your safety is our top priority. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what others have to say about SABRE Pepper Spray. And there you have it, folks. The SABRE Pepper Spray, your ultimate self-defense companion. Empower yourself with this simple yet effective tool that can make a world of difference in your personal safety. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative. Subscribe to your channel name for more insightful content. Remember, safety is not just a priority, it's a lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please note that while SABRE Pepper Spray is an effective self-defense tool, it should be used responsibly and in accordance with local laws. Seek professional advice on its usage and laws in your area. Intuitive, easy-to-use design for maximum protection. Stay safe with our SABRE Red Pepper Spray, the strongest available single-ingredient pepper spray, boasting the same police-strength protection as law enforcement. SABRE Red is the most popular formulation carried by police worldwide and contains UV marking dye to help police in suspect identification. The most popular SABRE style, this pepper spray keychain with quick release, is a small but powerful 0.54 Oz container which deploys a ballistic stream to reduce wind blowback. About this product: trust the professionals. SABRE is the one pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide, including New York PD, Chicago PD, and U.S. Marshals. Made in the USA, 2x stronger. For out 10 violent crimes involve alcohol use by the offender, our max-strength pepper spray, strong enough to use against a goal-oriented attacker under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Backed by our industry-exclusive in-house HPLC lab, 5x more protection. 42 of crimes are committed by multiple assailants. This pepper spray has 25 bursts and easiest-to-grasp finger grip to enhance your aim while keeping your eye on the threat and decreasing wind blowout. Faster access includes quick-release key ring for immediate access to spray when seconds count. Secure and easy-to-use twist lock safety. Training videos to maximize your safety. In addition to your pepper spray, packaging includes links to free SABRE Pepper Spray, training videos, and safety tips to help maximize your personal safety. The intuitive grip design allows for better aim and proper hand alignment with touch alone, allowing for faster deployment and helping you to keep your eyes on the threat. This police-strength pepper spray provides maximum security and a powerful stream to reduce wind blowback and protect from a distance. Feel secure with 25 bursts. I5 bursts more than other brands for protection against multiple threats. The quick release with detachable keychain allows immediate access to your pepper spray and easy attachment to keychain for maximum portability. Available in a selection of colors. Keep your daughter, wife, son, and college students safe with SABRE, the brand thousands of police departments trust. Safety you can trust. SABRE Pepper Spray is made in USA. SABRE is the one brand trusted by consumers worldwide for pepper spray and is a leader in developing safety programs and safety videos to maximize end-user safety. Empower yourself with extreme stopping power when you need it most.